Hello my lovelies, I hope you guys are all doing well today. Welcome back to Happy Wife Happy Life. My name is Shelly. You guys, today I'm gonna go ahead and do my master bedroom as you saw in my previous video, and if you haven't, I'll go ahead and link that down below so you guys can watch it. I did my living room in blush pink for spring. So basically I'm gonna be doing the same thing to my bedroom. I like to have a little bit of cohesiveness when it comes to decorating, and typically I will decorate the living room, the dining room, the kitchen, and the master bedroom all in the kind of the same style. I don't touch the kids' bedroom unless they ask me to and they want to go ahead and change it, but that's their zone, so I leave it up to them. So I want to bring in the blush pink into my master bedroom for this season, and you guys, a lot of this stuff I already have. I didn't have to go out and purchase anything new, so basically I'm just putting everything together to bring in that nice little pop of color with the blush pink. All right, so I hope you guys Okay, my lovelies, so I hope you guys enjoyed how I set up my bed, and I just wanted to share one more thing with you guys. I went to Bath and Body Works or White Barn, whatever it is you guys want to call it, and I picked up 2 spring candles. Absolutely love them. They smell so good. So these are the new spring scents that are coming out. Look how pretty it looks. I love the packaging. It brings in the pinks. Since this was a $0 redo, I wanted to go ahead and treat myself. This scent is Sundress, and it smells very soft and flowery like, kind of like petals, if that makes sense to you. And it says here it is crisp pear, sparkling white wine, fresh apples, and white oak. So it's so nice. This is a very soft smell. I'm thinking it's good for my bedroom just because yesterday I was burning the eucalyptus, and I noticed that at night it was very hard for me to fall asleep because the smell was very strong. And I love eucalyptus mint, it's one of my favorites. But there's certain scents that you can put at certain areas of the house to either stimulate you being awake or help you relax and go to sleep. So I think this one is gonna do very well for my bedroom. And then I picked up Peach Bellini. And look at this package, how beautiful. Once again, it has all the spring colors, very nice and florally. Beautiful, beautiful colors. So this one smells exactly what it says, peach. It smells like kind of like peaches with a flowery peach smell. It's kind of like a flowery peach smell. And so, oh my gosh, so good. This one's a little bit stronger. I can smell it's going to be a lot stronger than the Sundress. It's going to go into the living room area. And so this one says Succulent White Peach, Sparkling Prosecco, and Sweet Orange. So it's a little bit stronger, but not very strong. It's not as strong as the eucalyptus. This is definitely softer smelling, smells like peach flowers. Smells like spring. So these are the 2 additions that I'm gonna add. I saved myself money on the decorations, so I'm splurging just a little bit. Unfortunately, there's no sales right now, but what you guys can do if you guys stocked up in December, which is what I do, and I stock up for the whole year, you can actually bring in your unused candles and switch them out. So that's another tip to save you guys some money. If you don't want to get stuck with just fall and Christmas scents, go ahead and do that. Bring your unlighted candles to Bath and Body Works, and they allow you to go ahead and switch them. And at least in my area, in my Bath and Body Works, they do not give me any problem. I don't even need the receipt to change them out. So they're very good with customer service and giving the customers what they want. So that's exactly what I did here. And so this was a total of $0, you guys. I'm bringing my master bedroom into spring and make it cohesive with the rest of the house. So you guys, remember, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. It lets me know that you guys are enjoying my content. And also subscribe, because I'm going to be doing more spring decorating and more spring cleaning. So we have our kitchen left, and we have the dining room left, and I have the front porch left. So I'm getting everything situated little by little, and I'm just enjoying this process, you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to go ahead and go to my Instagram and my Facebook account. You guys, I'm gonna be uploading more pictures and keep you guys updated on a daily basis there. So you can always catch me there, all right? So you'll see that link down here, all right? All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.